November 3rd, 2023 is an important moment for advancing the technological upgrading and replacement of agricultural equipment in our country. LovoL Smart Manufacturing Base for high horsepower tractors and advanced agricultural equipment, chosen to be built in Welding, officially commenced its construction journey. 776 mu of land, 174,000 square meters of construction area, total investment of 2.241 billion CNY. Here, a world-class agricultural equipment base is about to rise. Looking to the world, change is constant. LovoL is reshaping the industry landscape with smart manufacturing, integrating the wisdom of the era and possessing a global perspective. The high horsepower base, guided by the principles of digital, advanced, green, and energy efficient, and positioned as a smart factory, will be developed into a first Korean smart factory in the domestic agricultural equipment industry, thereby leading the upgrade of China's agricultural equipment manufacturing. Two united workshops, coexisting and flourishing together. Assembly United Workshop. Construction area of approximately 123,000 square meters. Truss structure, shaping order within strength. Lightweight design, creating flexible within safety. Photovoltaic energy-saving technology, forward-looking layout, practicing the mission of green, smart manufacturing. Housing processing and chassis assembly, chassis painting, complete machine assembly. And the integrated 4-in-1 process. Breaking traditional boundaries, unlimited investment, continuously reaching new heights, making manufacturing more precise and more grand. Welding and painting united workshop. Construction area of approximately 51,000 square meters. High-strength lightweight design. Stick to sustainable development. Complete machine adjusting and testing, body welding, cap painting, a unified 3-in-1 process. High precision, high feedback, high intelligence. Ensuring every process intersects seamlessly, refining every detail to perfection. Exploring the limits of smart manufacturing, redefining industrial boundaries. Upon completion, the factory will have an annual production capacity of 100,000 units of tractors with 100 horsepower and above power shift in CVT, which will fill a domestic gap. This simultaneously will trigger the transformation and upgrading of China's high-end agricultural equipment manufacturing industry towards a higher, smarter, and greener direction, thereby addressing the critical choke point of China's agricultural machinery industry and ushering in a new era for the technological upgrading of agricultural equipment in our country. Forge new heights in Chinese technology, build new depths in Made in China, delivering new attitudes in intelligent manufacturing in China. LovoL Smart Manufacturing Base for high horsepower tractors and advanced agricultural equipment. Higher horsepower, smarter miracles.